FabGoalie AI is an AI-powered fabric defect detect system which brings artificial intelligence to textile industry. And now what you are seeing here is our latest prototype which launched this year at TITAS 2025. We are so excited to introduce this innovative system in such a huge event.
Today, the textile industry is incredibly fast-paced and traditional manual inspection becomes more and more a bottleneck. With FabGoalie AI, you can overcome the limitations of traditional inspection, ensure high-quality standards, and ensure compliance, but also can increase your operational efficiency.
FabGoalie AI supports roll-to-roll inspection. It's a complete system and designed for seamless integration, which makes it suitable for a wide variety of production environments. FabGoalie AI offers easy deployment with any hidden cost, and it delivers great value. And it's really quiet while we are speaking. It's operating right now.
Unlike traditional inspection, FabGoalie AI never gets tired or fatigues. It comes with a pre-configured graphical user interface that gives you real-time insights. Your staff on site does not need any technical training. Also, the interface is completely accessible from remote sites and works device agnostic. Therefore, you get reports and pre-configured graphs anytime, anywhere.
FabGoalie AI works with different kinds of fabric, including woven, knitting, fabric types. And it detects a variety of defects such as stains, holes, necks, and creases. It also supports multi-color and also features a function which can detect color differences.
FabGoalie AI has been developed by Fu Hsun Fiber Industries in collaboration with the NYCU University from Hsinchu. We started this project in 2021, and by today it has matured into a solution that is ready for deployment in real production environments. It brings together deep learning technology, flexible adjustment, continuous fabric inspection, and flexibility all in one product.
The launch of this new prototype is a huge milestone for us. And feel free to contact us because we are looking forward to your feedback. And also, FabGoalie AI is built in Taiwan, but now we are looking for global collaboration.
Go now to FabGoalie.ai, you find more information, and you can also sign up to our newsletter. We really hope that you get in touch.